The chart legend of the FMD ECDIS displays general information about a specific chart or chart cell. In other words, chart legend contains production information, such as name, type, edition number, and date, update number and date, compilation scale, projection, horizontal datum, sounding datum, vertical datum, units of depth, units of height, magnetic variation, and TANP notice information. Chart legend can be accessed through the context-sensitive menu that appears when you right-click in the chart. The function is available in ENCs as well as in RNCs, and it can be used in Navi mode and in voyage planning mode. It is the position of the cursor that determines which chart you will see information about in the chart legend. You can place the cursor in a different position to display the chart legend for a different chart cell. Let's open the chart legend by right-click on the chart. The chart cell name can be used to identify the producer of the chart. Officially issued ENCs begins with a two-letter code of the chart producer. As example, GB shows you that this chart cell is produced by the United Kingdom Hydrographic Office. You will most likely not be able to remember all official two-letter codes, but you can use the IHOS 62 list of data producer codes as reference. The standard document is freely available on the IHO website. The type shows the type of chart you are viewing. Normally this will be either an S57 ENC or an ARCS, RNC. Edition number is number of the base chart cell. Edition date shows you the publication date of the base chart cell. Update number shows you the number of the last update applied to the base chart cell in the ECDIS. Update date shows you the issue date of the last update applied to the base chart cell. Compilation scale shows you the scale intended to be displayed for navigation. Projection shows you the type of projection used for creating the chart. Horizontal datum shows you the datum used in the chart. All ENCs must be produced using the WGS84 datum. Many RNCs are also produced with this datum. Sounding datum shows you the datum used for soundings. This will normally be approximate lowest astronomical tide, although US charts will normally use mean low or low water. Vertical datum shows you the datum used for indicating the vertical clearances, such as bridges and overhead wires. Units of depth and units of height shows you the units used to indicate depths and heights. In ENCs the units will always be meters. Magnetic variation shows you the magnetic variation and its annual change for the specific chart area. This information is not mandatory in the ENCs, and for some smaller scale charts it is not possible to indicate a general magnetic variation at all, because of the large area covered by the chart. Not all chart producers include this information in their chart cells. Quality indication is a survey evaluation. It is a quantitative estimate of the accuracy of the chart's features, given by the chart producer. When the ENC is produced, then the textual code for this attribute is CATSOC, also known as Category Zones of Confidence. It is divided into 6 levels: A1, A2, B, C, D and U. CATSOC A1 provides the highest level of accuracy, whereas CATSOC U indicates that the accuracy is not assessed.